I have installed hurricane windows in my home. Do I qualify for a discount? The straight answer is possible. In order to be qualified for a discount, all openings of your home must be hurricane protected. That means any window, no matter how small, including skylights and sliding glass doors, must be hurricane proofed. And yes, that includes your garage door. Many homeowners don't realize that their garage doors, especially those that were built over 20 years ago, weren't made to withstand major storms like hurricanes. If you want to know if your home is ready to receive a windstorm mitigation credit, you will need to contact a wind mitigation inspector. During the inspection, your licensed inspector will check out all the areas of your home that are most affected by intense winds. We all know insurance rates in Florida are high right now, but if you're a homeowner and would like to reduce your insurance premiums, you should consider installing hurricane impact windows. Not only can it reduce your monthly expenses at home, but can give you the peace of mind you need when a big storm approaches. Whether you need an inspection or are looking to see what discounts your home can qualify for, give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call. We'd be happy to take you through the next step. Hurricane season is vastly approaching. Don't wait. Protect your home today.